Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This is going to apply to all 2012 to 2023 Dodge Charger and Challenger models with a 3.6 liter Pentastar, 5.7 liter Hemi, and 6.4 liter Hemi engines with an 8-speed automatic transmission. In this kit, we include 6 liters of the Uroil 6700 synthetic transmission fluid, the transmission pan with incorporated filter, pan gasket, magnets, and drain plug, the necessary transmission pan mounting bolts and fill plug with seal, and our ATF fluid transfer pump kit. The Uroil ATF 6700 is a premium synthetic transmission fluid made and bottled in Holland, Netherlands. Uroil is one of Europe's premier lubricant manufacturers, producing world-class products for over 40 years. Uroil supports multi-championship winning race teams in one of the toughest off-road truck races in the world, the Dakar Rally, which truly ensures the quality and reliability of their transmission fluids for use in the Dodge Charger and Challenger models. The Uroil ATF 6700 is a high-performance ATF specifically engineered for the ZF 8-speed automatic transmissions used in the Charger and Challenger models. It meets the recommended 8 and 9-speed ATF specification, also known as the ZF Lifeguard Fluid 8 specification, which is the only type of ATF that should be used in these transmissions. For the transmission pan and related hardware, we use OEM components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. Typically, it's always good to have new transmission pan bolts on hand when performing this service, especially if you're located in a snowy region where your vehicle is exposed to large amounts of road salt and corrosion. As many of you know, the 8-speed transmissions in the Charger and Challenger models do not have a dipstick tube to fill the transmission with fluid. So we also include our ATF fluid transfer pump kit and hose for side filling the transmission. It conveniently threads onto the Uroil bottles and comes with a generous amount of clear hose that can be cut to your desired length, inserted into the fill port on the side of the transmission, allowing you to fill the transmission with fluid. Again, this is a much more cost-effective solution to fill the transmission with fluid as an alternative to you having to buy some much more expensive fluid transfer tools. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits for the Dodge Charger and Challenger models with the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. We also have a full detailed step-by-step video and blog article linked below on how to properly install this kit in your vehicle. If you have any other questions, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.